is now eating grass
instead of sucking blood. Oh yeah, very bad. I was active in my homeland, but from now I have a slave. I am a servant in a foreign land. I wanna go back home and sit upon a throne. I wanna restore my dignity. I'm going home. I'm going home. I'm going home. United Nations. I'm going home. Chuku Abiyama. I'm going home. I'm going back to my land. Going back to Biafra, my motherland, Biafra.
Yes, Biafrans across the globe, this is season 2. Peking will say, Mama no go sleep, he no go sleep. We have told Facebook and other social media, shut down your server. Let's improvise and move to the next day. But you think you are frustrating us? We know you. You don't even know we control your server. But one day you will know. All of you exhibit your stupidity. But in the end, you will know the truth. There are people in other platforms, they are getting the message live and direct. But Zuga badge, that oil money you collect from Biafra land, you will not eat it. We will not give you that privilege. Yoruba, come on. Because no hiding place for all of you. Yes, I welcome you back to season 2. This is still Radio Biafra Extra. We were cut off temporarily for record purposes, so we make season 2. On this season 2, continuing from where I stopped in season 1, it is not Hausa Fulani that we are fighting. Fulanis are nobody. Yorubas, they know. These are British government. The terrorists themselves who call themselves colonial master. They play us like chess from behind. But it will be a very cold day in head for all of us Biafrans if we do not see what is going on. That is why we are doing this. They introduced Harold Wilson syndrome, which we call Kwashoko, and starved millions of innocent children. 3 million innocent women and children were starved to death. They were bombing them in soft targets, in the churches, in the market, in the school, in the hospitals. They were bombing our people, coupled with Kwashoko. But of course, today they know they cannot repeat the same thing. But they have a plan. Do you know the plan? They will poison us. They have started already. Check most of the disease we suffer now. Our parents didn't suffer it. Why? Because you don't know they are poisoning you. Don't eat cow meat. That is where you know that cow meat have vitamin C, vitamin Q. That vitamin Q inside cow meat will quench you. Be eating cow meat. Don't eat carrots. Don't eat it. It's how do they even speak it in grammar? It's a racialism. It's a tribalism. It's a avoidtarism. Give it the grammar you have. But one day you will know the truth. They are systematically and meticulously poisoning us, and you can't see it. Don't forget our topic. It is simple. We must be sensitive to security instrument that is in place in Biafra land. If I go to occasion now, they bring afufa. They bring that afufa we used to do iwaji. We call it afufa. Then they bring grounded granite mixed with pepper. I remember I should be around maybe 7 years old. My mother traveled then to, it should be a Kurobia. In those days to buy palm oil. And when she came back, she brought grounded granite. That was the first time I saw it in my life. They gave it to her. I remember that granite with pepper. I was holding the bottle because they put it in the bottle, fill it up for her because she loved it. I didn't leave that bottle as a child. But I'm surprised now. It's Hausa that is selling granite and afufa for us. And you come and bring it and you do Iwaji. Is it Iwaji Hausa sell for you that you are coming to Waji for us? Make una reason, no. Hausa no get cola. Hausa no get cola. Where you they go buy cola and a granite from Hausa to do Omena Landi Igbo. Make una reason, no. You endangering yourself. Be sensitive. Does Hausa eat afufa? They eat gboru, it's okay. But our Omenala is not their Omenala. How come now they are supplying you instrument of your own Omenala, your own traditional? People, reason. It's not only on that area, but I want to tell you, these are unimaginable things that should not even happen. But yet it's happening. And so when you sit next time and you are talking to me, you are intellectual, you better listen very well, because you will not like the outcome. Where is the intellectual? Somebody called online and said that it's amazing. Our women now want to dress like Yoruba. You will do Ashebi now. You go and do Ashebi. It's advancement. But beneath the scene, Yoruba women, through their Yoruba church, are dressing like our women. Our leader said it here. He said, to know Biafran women, they tie to wrapper. To know who Biafran women are, Biafran women are the only women in the whole world that tie to wrapper. Today now you are wearing lace and buba. You want to be like a Yoruba. Then inside Yoruba church, Redeem and the rest of them, Winner Chapel, you people are teaching Yoruba people how to tie to wrapper. Intellectual. Shame on all of you. Sorry, I won't curse you. I will draw the I will draw it. As you cannot see this thing, we will feast over your dead body when the time comes. They are advising you, look at what is that. You are doing intellectual, my foot. Intellectual, look at Fulani. Tell me you have met a Fulani man as you are Biafran intellectual that can match you academically. It's not found anywhere. Look at Tanku, expatriate of driving aeroplane. Look at in charge of police, transmission. Look at the EFCC or DSS. Our building is very high. Look at the other one in charge of civil defense. What is your website? Our website is www. I can't give it out because our guy on top has not given order. Can't you see it? You are intellectual. But you can't notice it. Stop buying things from Hausa, from Fulani. Of course, when I mean Hausa, it's Fulani I'm talking. Stop buying things from them. It's not going to be easy, but it's achievable. That I can assure you. I love meat. But you know what? I prefer to eat crayfish than to eat cow. It's been long. Honestly, it's not easy. But if that is what will take me to survive, and then that I will do. For in the end, what shall it benefit a man to eat cow, to go and let Hausa cut your fingernail, to give Hausa Fulani your shoe to polish, to give Fulani your life, and in the end you die for nothing? Look at the security threat there. They can poison you. If this Fulani decide to poison you now, I tell you, it will amaze you how many people that will die in a single night. If they want to give you HIV, Ababet, Achere, as they call it, it will amaze you how many of us they will poison in a day. Because you crash your leg, you sit down, hey, Megida, come and cut my nail. If I say Watoro, he say he's insulting people. You are money bag. Give them money. They just look at you, they mock you. It's a security threat to Biafra land. I think they strike. Hey, we will not sell car. We are crying. Because they are playing on your intelligence. They are studying you, but I hope you will understand. Number two, you need to be very sensitive in terms of security. Whenever you learn that all these groups everywhere claiming to be defending Biafra, that is a security threat. There are many groups everywhere. Many groups. Their name is too numerous to mention. Somebody will wake up today, carry paper and file, and say we are Biafran defense. The next one will come and say we are Biafra protectorate. Another Biafran defense. Different name. They are not defending Biafra land. I saw one on social media today. They carry leg. He say, see the leg. This na Fulani leg. Just give us money, make we do the work. No be toy. Ndioshi. But be careful. When we come, we talk about our experience in the dungeon. It's not because it's anything heroic about it. You never know how humiliated I am. To be dressed in a pint with handcuff on my leg and my hand, being parabolated as if I am not a human being. You don't know how disgraceful it can be. For people who can't even talk to you in the ordinary sense, making fool of you. You don't know what it means for me to wake up around 4, DSS will open the gate, a house with 3 doors, open it around 4, bring me to somewhere. That is when I don't know who sent them. They say, oh, go and shit, go and brush. We'll give you 3 minutes. Can you brush your teeth, shit at the same time, bath in 3 minutes? And I tell you, if you don't meet up, you are in trouble. They will send you back like that. So at the same time you are pooing, at the same time you are brushing your teeth, at the same time you are bathing. 3 in 1 in 3 minutes, 1 minute for each other. And then they push you inside that distance. There is nothing glorious about that. We just have choose that the struggle will be the glory. And then some people are deceiving. Hey, they arrested us. Hey, they arrested our guy of defense squad. Thunder will fire all of you. Yes, we are back. We are formidable. You people do not see the security threat there. Hey, we are inaugurating Biafra International. Envy want to kill people. I can't hide my feeling, honestly. And now, if you don't understand it, you go to hell and burn to blazes. It doesn't matter to me. But in the end, you will accept that truth. Talking about Asari don't make him anybody. He's nobody. As far as I'm concerned, he's nobody. He's not my warlord. I am a Niger Delta man. He's not my warlord. He's a bagger and one of the saboteur. But envy will kill all of you. More than 70% of Israel land now. Niger Delta land is under control of Fulani. And someone is coming to, I come from descendant of a 6,000 years monarch. Because you want to measure height with Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a prince. So you are a prince of warlord. Mad people. Mad people. Envy. Come and answer supreme leader now. Some of you think, okay, let's do like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Uche so we answer supreme leader. Come and answer supreme leader. That will be the last sound you will hear in your life. Mad people. Look at danger everywhere. You are there looking for to answer supreme leader. Yoruba cut me off because you know go good for now this night. Facebook cut them off. I want this film to get to season 13. Mad people. Envy and jealousy will kill all of you. You leave what we are fighting for. You are looking supreme leader. The other one say, hey, I was arrested. Hey, they have arrested. You think you are playing with us? You think you are playing with children? And then some of you say, my brother, you are formidable. Let me tell you, SARS don't arrest IPOB. Their own is pocket money. I don't want to mention your name. Bring your madness. Let me cure you permanently. Mad people. So you know yourself. Use your tongue and count your teeth. But what you are doing is a security threat to our land. Don't you know? Don't you know what your actions will become a security threat to our land? No, we are formidable. SARS don't arrest Biafrans. They are looking for their own Egunje. They're looking for Yahoo boys, you know, under percentage. So if you be Biafra self, SARS see you, they go slap you well. Just drive you, go reach the next bus stop, collect all the money within your pocket, give you a gogoro drink and tell you, say, get out here. You don't have sense. They don't have time for you. Hey, SARS carry me, formidable. No, make DSS carry you. That is what we want. Then we know. You people stop deceiving yourself. This thing has gone beyond that mentality. Can't you see it? But tonight, I want you to know all those things are security threats. Many of our boys are missing day and night because they ignorantly, because of the love they have for Biafra, they have registered almost on every security outfit. Majority of them are piloted by Yoruba and Fulanis. They are giving you phone. Come and take free phone. Nigerians that were hungry to kill you are giving you free phone. Don't you know the phone they gave to you is a security threat? There are people recruiting people in Imo State now. Under, is it on Hakim, they call the new governor. He's recruiting people now to defend Biafra land. They will tell you, come and join. Let's defend Biafra land from Fulani. But they are the Fulani agents. Don't you know it's a security threat? Many of them are propping up. Enugu tell you that they want to protect their forest. Is it now they want to protect our forest? Don't you know it's a security threat? All of you, make una the respect on ourselves. In here, more here. Oh, no, no, kapuhano oji or more here or away, man. Ime ye join him more koi. But I'm talking to those of you who are listening. If you see people like that, run for your life. But am I telling you IPOB is holy? Am I saying IPOB is know it all? No. IPOB is the only people who refuse to compromise. IPOB is the only people who refuse to give in to any kind of influence. We are here for one thing, and it remains that way. No two ways about it. Except God is a liar. But if God is not a liar, don't worry. Let's go to number 3 because of it. When you see this signal, know that they are security threat. Buying anything from Fulani, you are endangering yourself. Your children will be orphaned. Do you want us to tell you how many countries in Africa where you have Biafra residing? But they don't even know who they are. But don't worry, we know all of you at the right time you will come back home. Because that is some of the reason why we are doing what we are doing. Don't let your children be among those groups. Who do you really think that those kidnappers, Fulani headsmen are? We're looking at number 3, security threat. Instrument of security threat in Biafra land. They have kidnapped so many reverend father. I think they kidnap another reverend bishop wife. Many kidnapping and kidnapping and kidnapping. But if you see Fulani, do you think those Fulani you see are the one kidnapping people? Who do you think they are? But of course, it's the name they used to choose. They have answered Miati Allah. They have answered Boko Haram. They have answered Metamasen. They have answered Satan of Sokoto. They have answered Lamido, Sanisu Lamido. They have answered different name. Now their recent name is Fulani headsmen. It's going to change, we know that. It's just the same way to take your land. It has answered many names. I think the rename now, it has moved from Ruga. It is now life transforming, livestock. Put the grammar. Change the name. British taught you well. After all, did they not change the whole name in Africa? Where they call you are Gold Coast. He say, I'm Gold Coast. You are Niger Delta. Some people will even shoot me because I'm telling them they are not Niger Delta. But are you not stupid? Sorry, did I curse you? Are you not hopeless to say you are Niger Delta, Delta Niger, Upland, River, bottom line? Today, why would they use the same pattern to take over your land? Today is the grazing bee reserve. The next day is maintaining of water line border. The next day is Ruga. From Ruga is a livestock transformation ministry. From livestock transformation ministry, it will go to Holy God. No. Offset, Yana. Who are these Fulani herdsmen? I want you to be sincere. You are in Nigeria listening to me now. Look at those Fulani herdsmen. Do you think they can actually do what they are doing without the backing up of Nigerian security agents? So when you're talking about Fulani herdsmen, invariably no, we are talking about Nigerian army, whether Air Force, artillery, or Navy, whether DSS, EFCC, ICPC, PPQ, body defense, Guards Brigade, it is all of them that are Fulani herdsmen. Why are they running from telling you the truth? They will say, Fulani. It's not Fulani herdsmen. So every country around the world giving ammunition to Nigeria in the guise of fighting Fulani herdsmen. You are the most hopeless and the most miserable in a time like this. Because you are the one empowering Fulani herdsmen. Nigerian army are Fulani herdsmen. They are the Boko Haram. Those who refuse to join the court will be slaughtered like a sheep before the lamb. Don't you know these are threats in Biafra land? Don't say it. Don't say. Why won't we say it? If you can do it, we will say it. And we go to the fourth one. Ask yourself a question. When you see all those Fulanis polishing shoe and the rest, tell me if they can kidnap your wife. Tell me. One side of my wife bumbo weigh more than a cow. One leg of my wife alone. If you cut my wife, bring one of her leg, cut it into 10. One part is bigger than me alone. How can that Fulani herdsman kidnap my wife, carry her? You know they fear. Then they are kind, hey, the Fulani herdsman, they are kidnapping. Look at the bishop wife where they kidnap. This is big elephant. And then when they bring the kidnapper now, when they try to deceive you, they now bring one team Monanga. And they kidnap. It's a lie. At gunpoint, Nigerian army will kidnap you. Collect all your money. Of course, she will not allow you to tell us. So don't make any mistake and think there is a one invincible Fulani herdsman anywhere. It's Nigerian Muhammadu Buhari late one and Jubilee army and British occupational mercenary. They are the one doing this kidnapping. Don't let them deceive you. Hey, they are Curtis. Nobody like Curtis in Biafra land. Can't you see it? And then we go to the final one because of time, you know. There is another pattern to penetrate into our security. Actually, Ekweremadu was questioned in Germany. And then they have conspired with the Hausa Fulani because the game have to start off. British government have told Fulani what to do. Now you are going to see that Ahmadu Bello, Sultan of Sokoto, all of them will be going to Iriji. Shebi Buhari is going to, is it China or Japan? But if you are not a Biafran, go anywhere you like. Go on. Yoruba can do Iriji anywhere. Fulani do Iriji anywhere. It doesn't concern us. Our own is all the corrupt politicians from Biafra land. Don't go anywhere to do Iriji. Read the G for here. Because we will ask you question. But if you be Hausa or you be Yoruba or you be Fulani, you follow our people to our occasion hour. Listen to it very well. Hour. You come to do Iriji. If you are Fulani, you will eat nama. If you are Yoruba, you will eat pepper. Kwademeni. Now they want to penetrate. So they tell the world, don't you see? Why are they touching me now? Don't they know that I'm a Sultan of Sokoto? That is your business. Go and do Tuan Shenama in Japan. It's not our business. Fulani have Tuan Shenama, Tuan Shimelu, Tuan Shoshikapa. Go anywhere you like and eat. It doesn't concern us. Don't come and do Iriji. Don't come and do Iriji because you will not like it. You will be questioned. We are not talking to anybody. It's our own. Our people is our concern. Your head must be correct now. You are conspiring against us. You are recruiting people, giving them phone, telling them they are going to do this. We will allow all of you to set the platform upon which you shall be disgraced. You don't know how God works. But the people who are still listening, genuine Biafrans, wonderful people that want freedom, and they are here for this freedom, I want you to watch out for all these signs of security threat in Biafra land. Because in the end, Biafra is a spirit. If you have not been told, know now. I'll be back in a minute.
Biafra is a spirit. Biafra is an ideology that no one can kill. God sent the leader of IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, to resurrect our nation, Biafra. Long live Biafra. Freedom Biafra. God bless Biafra. From Sivachi. Biafra cannot die. It's a time for freedom, time for victory. Chukadama is freedom. Biafra must stand. It's a time for freedom, time for victory. Chukadama is freedom. I can Mary. Biafra, I can Mary. I can Mary. God bless Biafra. I give Mary. Biafra, I give Mary. I give Mary. God bless Biafra. They took a use and what we own. I'm bad on us with no. The market so badly to suffer. Oh no, oh no. Speechless to live, speak out to die. Children got youth weeping. Parents lamenting, the raping and the shooting, the massacre and the killing. Destroying our farmlands and give us what not gets. To other people, enough is enough. We can't take this no more. Biafra cannot die. It's a time for freedom, time for victory. True Kadiama is freedom. Biafra must stand. It's a time for freedom, time for victory. True Kadiama is freedom. I give him baby, Biafra, I give him baby, I give him baby. God bless Biafra, I give him baby, Biafra, I give him baby, I give him baby. God bless Biafra. It is time for the chosen people to find a nation. It is time for the chosen people to rewrite their history. It is time for the people that have been enslaved to rediscover their liberty. Dear brothers and sisters, the time for God to build our nation have come. We have one nation, blessed nation. For a long time we have accepted domination. For a long time we have been strong. For a long time we have been ignored. The time that God has chosen for us has come. We have one nation. God bless Biafra. Anyhow we will exalt our nation. That nation Biafra. This slave who does not fight for his freedom. Somebody else be supported. Free, free, freedom. Free, free, freedom. Let's struggle for our liberty, not with weapons of war, but with a common language and a conviction. The Catalonia speeches, Bomba Kalashnikov cannot do anything to a people that have received the same cause, a people that have tasted for freedom. People of Biafra together for victory. Only the struggle liberates.
I didn't know that I get to get my head to the Mahoney and I was so. For buying in me, I didn't say, I have to go when we have an eye. One car when we have an eye. One car, I didn't put you with line.
Because of millions of Biafra men, women, and children massacred in Coldblock and are still being massacred. That is why we must continue to fight for Biafra. But the message we're sending across is that you can kill the flesh, but not the spirit. The spirit of Biafra is alive.
Biafra cannot die. It's a time for freedom, time for victory. True Kadiama is freedom. Biafra must stand. It's a time for freedom, time for victory. True Kadiama is freedom. I remember.
Of course, our lines are temporarily open at this moment. Call us, give us security situation in your area. Tell us, what are those things threatening the security of your area? This is the time you have. They cannot be killing us bit by bit, and somebody is thinking is going to make a fortune out of us. You cannot. You cannot. Understand it's stage by stage. We've told you before. There was a time nobody was talking. It's okay. And people complain, hey, nobody is talking now. Hey, that is why it's happening now. And then we came talking. And people are saying, oh, we are talking. I don't see people who say you are talking. Very soon now we say no Iriji. People will now say, I say no Iriji. Why can't we Iriji? We will give you the right sauce to Iriji. I love German people. I never know they know that they eat egg and yam together. It was good for Ike Kurimado, Ndiushi. And very soon you will know nobody have monopoly over that thing you are doing. I say, hey, Boko Haram, we want to bomb you. It's because you have not seen Biafra Haram. Our WhatsApp line is 070-815-45642. 070-815-45642 is our WhatsApp line. Our direct line is 081-221-52971. Our direct line again is 081-221-52971. Special number for the female is 081-288-58614. 081-288-58614. And of course, if you have not joined IPOB, the earlier the better. Because you are a terrorist. According to Nigerian fraudulent British government standard, you are a terrorist. Nnayanwodo is a terrorist. Ekweremadu is a terrorist. If you are a Biafran, you are a terrorist. That is what Fulani says. That is what the impression British government want to give to the world. But we will oblige to that to your request. Go and look for IPOB and join. Only terrorists where they carry flag. I blame them because we are carrying flag. You just imagine how many flags we are carrying. Don't worry. Caller on the line, are you there?
Yes.
Go ahead, please, and I will advise you to move away from your radio.
Okay, sir. My name is Daniel Shigoze Ikumene. I am calling from Ecuador, Anambra State. Hey, this our discussion this evening is it is very right because I have some of this experience some time ago. Our lady son by the day.
Go ahead, please. Of course, as always, the Zoo Epileptic Network. Give us situation report regarding those fraudulent criminals everywhere. Oh, these people, they love Biafra. Let's handle them. Come and handle us. Are you there, caller on the line?
Hello.
Yes, good evening. Go ahead, please. Your name and where are you calling from?
Yeah, my name is Maaze Payos. I'm calling from Onitsha. My brother, I really appreciate the good work you are doing with our people, enlightening and educating our people. The people of Biafra is a land of blessed by God. I really appreciate this, my brother. I will sincerely give you glory. Yes, I want to talk about this issue that we are facing in our land concerning security threats in Biafra land. Coming from Air Bridge, you will see all the security mentioning and the mounting here and there, blocking and disturbing, terrorizing our land in the name of security. Rather, they are terrorizing the land of Biafra. So I want to tell the whole world that our land is under siege by the Nigerian military occupation. We are being guided, disturbed, and terrorized by the Nigerian military, Nigerian army, and the Nigerian navy. I must tell you this. We have to be cautious about this insecurity in Biafra land. Everybody living in Biafra, every Biafra man must be very cautious about this insecurity in our land. Even though in the place you are, even though in your house, in your neighbor, everybody, don't be scared to discuss about this issue because they are everywhere, walking around the whole land, disturbing our lives, disturbing our business, kidnapping and killing a lot of our people in the name of security. So we must be sincerely to understand who we are dealing with, because in Igbo land they say that we are dining with the devil. We must be using a long spoon. I must tell you. So our people must fit into this line by joining IPO.
Thank you very much. We must continue. They are there deceiving us, threatening everything. Now they will, they say we should not travel. We are going to Liji. Japan should prepare their DNA machine to test that Sudani imposter in Aso Rock. Those of you who are Biafrans, who are from any tribe in Nigeria, in Japan, keep your DNA machine. Jubri is coming. He needs to be investigated. Yoshi. These are threats to humanity. threat to life of humanity. They are gallivanting. Hey, Buhari is going to Japan. Please get ready. Let his DNA test run there. How can we allow somebody from Sudan to be making fun of and stupid out of all of us? Are you there, caller on WhatsApp?
I got my brother from another one who are what mene take
offense. Well done, my brother.
Yeah, my brother. One Amadiko memories. I greet you always, like always. Before I greet you, Mazi, your topic is very fine, like always. Mazi, now we want to tell our people, those things that are in Biafra land, they should not be afraid. Let them remain ever resolute. Now, this is the time. This is the challenging time. This is the most critical time, and this is the end time. If you have that mind, this is your time. Your brothers in diasporas, we have risen. All of us in the hardcore Biafra, the radical Biafra, the fanatical Biafra, we have risen to take our land back. Forget that whatever they are doing there, one day they came, one day they will leave. You would not know how they live. It's a must. All those useless are there. Of course, we don't have leaders. Those of them that are representing their stomach in the government, we have closed the door for them. We have locked it. I want to go the key number one. That useless idiot, Jubrin, we learned he's going to Japan. Let him go to Japan. Let him die us. Let him go to Japan. Mazi,
my own is that they need to run DNA. Japan should run DNA test. They should be profiling that Sudani imposter so they see how evil British government is. Carrying somebody from Sudan, sitting on top of our head. And they didn't say it is okay. Go ahead, my brother.
My brother, this is what exactly what they want to do now. They are threatening, they want to kill Nnamdi Kanu. But we know the minds, we know the system. We are in war. They want to kill Nnamdi Kanu, and they want to do what they did. Let Buhari bring the bread. They said it cannot happen. Our touch is on them. Our new committee is on them all over the world. We are telling Nyawood and his Nyawood has shot himself at leg. Of course, we know he's there, but we don't want to discuss all of them. Their likes are very soon, they will see us to compare. And sometime now, very few time now, that land will not contain them. Because that's a revolution they are taking for. That anarchy. They are starting it and they will see it. But I thank Eke Ekrowa, Chukwuka Abiyama, that we have closed the door for them in this Mbowa. They can never come to diaspora. They will stay there. They will stay there, and that country they love, that country they survey, they will see one Nigeria. Their children must be brought back. Their children must be brought back, or they will come back in a what do you call that? Erufai said,
body
we'll
bag.
bring them back.
Body bag. Love speech.
Let it be. Yeah, let it be on record. They have Nyawood has done it again. Our sister was key years there. Mazi, do you know all the tunnels from Biafra land, especially Enugu? Mazi, what are these people looking at Enugu, Iguata and Aba? They think they can circle us. Is a lie. When the time comes, we will tell them that we are indigenous people. We own that. We know where is where. There is no problem. Biafrans all over the world. Also, this is the time the 100 men is needed. This is the time the men of valor is needed. This is the time to show that you are a born and bona fide daughter or son of Biafra land. Stand up and do the needful. Guide your brother, guide your town, guide the city, and moreover, go and whatever your hand can lay, go and get it. They want a hate speech. We will give them hate speech now. We will give them that hate speech. That hate speech, they started in 1992. We will give them that hate speech. Mazi, we are not afraid. My name is Siri okay, for no to one for Mark Adachi, and Mark Siri in all province of Biafra land. Continue to give you wisdom, continue to analyze this, continue to protect you. You must see Biafra. All of us, we must see Biafra. This is my take tonight. Good evening, and keep my brother.
Thank you very much. We must continue. We are not going anywhere. Our people must remain focused and look at those things that threaten the security of our place. Are you there, caller on the line?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening from here. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, my name is Ike Chukwuchen Tuwakano. I'm from Omopia. Omopia is in Biafra land, in East Alangwa South local government. And I reside in Aba, in Umozo Zone 2, IPOP. I love what you people are doing because in our land we are suffering. We have suffered a lot. Mazi, let me tell you what is going on now. Do you know that time I'm a driver trailer, the time that I am going to the Lagos, you know that the Nigerian police have stopped me in the road, stop everybody in the road, begin to rob everybody. Nigerian police in Lagos, or in a Ibogi, Lagos road. The Nigerian police are robbing people everywhere in the Lagos road. Do you know that what made me lost what I have in my hand that day is because of policeman. The money that is in my vehicle, they collected it. Nigerian police. It has been long. I'm trying this line for me to get you to give this information. Nigerian police are terrorizing us in this Biafran land. Mazi Onyibe. Assembly Kelerem Nani Nande Kalo Abonyese. Mobile Yemeleben Nande Kalo number Anyuku. Abomwa for more village. Anyuku Ebola Webo. Anyuku and one handy Buwele. Okay, see Bazo, Mbo Nani. Ononga and the ministra that Abba, not to sing a lile, lile, Tababushi, Bushen, and how, while Emre, then Uguchi, everyone in the man. Hell, Chine can clearly well hello, one no woman nemo, Onobolati, Yaka, Madlili, Yaka, Tanya, hanging there, Chonu, Lord about an empire. Anam Lumo Zozon too.
Thank you
That
very
is
much.
my place. I know. Biko Nunyakano. Chineke can gain on your mother, Chineke can friend on your nanny. I need you with the Afra.
Thank you very much.
La Chukoki Kabiam, I'm calling you. They say,
You see. Are you there? Call on WhatsApp.
Good evening to you, Mazi.
Good evening. Go ahead, please.
Thank you so much. Good evening, fellow Biafrans, friends of Biafrans and the lovers of freedom. The blessing of our God, Chukwukika Abiyama, will continue to strengthen every one of us. My name is Ugo, and I am calling from Enugu province. Mazi, the security threat that we are facing in our land, exactly what you just said, but people, they don't even know that the Fulani herdsmen, Boko Haram you are hearing, is Nigerian soldier. They are the one. You say, when they will come to your place, they will arrest you with their gun. That is the reason why when you see Fulani herdsmen commit this, their evil, before 2-3 minutes, getting to 30 minutes, you will see soldier, you will see police everywhere. But one thing we have to let them know is that this evil that they are planting in different tribes, we'll continue to look for them and live with them. Somebody said today that why must you people continue to call Fulani every time they call Fulani, Fulani? No Fulani man, no Hausa man will be say, you know, they like waiting their brothers they do. All of them are the same thing. Because when you support evil, you will condemn it. You will be bold. How many times have these people come out and say, we don't like the activities of Fulani herdsmen? We don't like the way that they are killing people. They are everywhere claiming to be innocent. They are everywhere claiming to be saints. But they see the evil that their brothers and sisters are committing. They see the evil, all of them every day. You hear killings. The same particular people. One thing you just mentioned that everyone have to take note is that those people you call soldier, those people you call police, check them out very, very well. They are the ones. That is the reason why they are protecting these people. That is the reason why when they come to arrest, they will arrest Igbo. By mistake arresting Fulani, they will separate them. One Nigeria. Anyone that is supporting one Nigeria is evil. And that person evil will continue to follow that person. The security threat that the zoo are facing today, don't even say that the masses causes. They are the ones that is causing, they apply it. That is the reason why every day you see helicopter fly up and down here. We will continue to give glory to Chukwukika Abiyama. Biafran restoration remains the gold in our hand. And I will hold it tight. if you try to take it away from me, the evil saboteurs, those who are trying to defend Fulani, those who say that they will die before they kill Fulani, we are telling you that Fulani people will kill you. At the end, you try to be a good person to them. They are mocking you. They are laughing at you by that statement because you don't know God. That is exactly how they see you. But the strength of Chukwu continue to keep you moving forward. Definitely, jubilation in our land remains our goal, and we look forward to that. Biafran restoration, nobody can question it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We must continue. Caller on the line, your name and where are you calling from? Caller on the line. Yes, caller on WhatsApp. Caller on WhatsApp. Go ahead, please. Caller on WhatsApp.
Okay. Good evening from here. Good evening, Master. My name is Mr. Mazem Bam, coming from Ebonyi State. Ebonyi State, Biafra land. Precisely Z, Ndezokibabi Z, from Biafra land. But now I'm calling from Newi, Joto, Newi. So, the situation we are facing here now, the challenges of the police here is checking points everywhere. Let me start from Newi here. From Newi to Onitsha, about 7 checking points. From Onitsha to here, almost 7 checking points. So everywhere, you cannot even move from pole to pole, checking point, from pole to pole, checking point. So from Olo, Imo State to Ihiala, almost 7 checking points. So from Nobi here, Nobi to Oka, almost 7 checking points. So all these things, they are almost everywhere, cover everywhere. So we cannot even free to move. To go for even travel home, we are unfair. Even going to a house, you are fair for police everywhere. So all these things, when they stop you, they won't even ask you anything. Only money here and there, money here and there. So all these things is the problem we're facing. So as you are talking tonight, we come to look into it and know that this is almost everything is happening here. And secondly, if you call any help for any position, they cannot respond. Even if you have an attack, you police, they not respond. Before they come, they will ask you what happened, and this and that. So this is the problem we are facing. So I thank you very much for this topic, because some people are not hearing. They don't want to hear, but all these things you refuse to hear, you will see it, and before you see it, it will be too late for you. Because that is why we are waking people to wake up and join, to wake up and listen to Radio Biafra. Many people, they just hide themselves. They don't want to hear. That's the problem. But all these things is coming to destroy almost every day. See, our mother, she's 7 years, killed in Enugu 3 days ago, pregnant woman in the farm. So all these things, they won't book us, but we always calm down to listen to our leader, so that our leader will give us commands. But let the whole world watch and see that we are not happy. They are always killing us in daily basis. They use car, kill us. They use gun, kill us. They use even food, poison food. That is why we are telling our people, stop eating cow. This cow is causing too much illness in our body. So they will call it red meat, but you cannot listen. Stop eating cow. In all the days, before my father told me that eating cow, red meat, the moment you kill the cow and kill it and eat it, will cause you more harm and more dangerous illness into your body. That is why we have to fry it and keep it to dry before you eat it. It is very poisonous, but today our people do not listen. So many illness we are challenges of sickness we are facing today is come from this cow we eating. So let me tell all the people in the whole world to listen to Radio Biafra. That's the only way we will free from this bondage we are into. So I thank you, Mazi. Thank you very much from here. Thank you. I thank you very much. So this is the only radio station I just call and nobody cut me off. It's a very good testimony. So secondly, just small thing in Mazi, I want to ask you this question. Why are our people so much money? They are money. I don't know why. We here now. Someone is saying his land.
The answer is
the amount of money.
There is a difference between loving money and letting money take control of your brain. Because I love money.
Yeah,
but
that
I'm
is
not
number one.
stupid over it. So our people who don't love money,
so thank you, man.
they are not okay, but it controls some of them. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Because you see, as for me, I just try to maintain, to even put my own money to make sure that I respect.
But I hope you love money. My brother. Because me, I love money. I say I hope you love money.
But some people we are looking into to chop money, just money.
Those are criminals.
That money they are chasing away.
Those ones are criminals.
Thank you very much.
We must continue. I'll be back in a minute.
Kaide, kunitenu kaide, kunitenu kaide, kunitenu kaide,
Umu Biafra kunitenu, Umu Biafra kunitenu.
And if I jump any school soldier, he go here. So you know, I got to do rocket you. Oh nah, you got to go, I get to rocket you. Oh nah.
I got some babura robo. I don't know. We be the true blood of Israel. We be the bloody Philistines. So we go take them one by one, and they go run. We always stand in a zoo, and you go no negotiation, you. Everybody let's stand attention, you. No violence, no resolution, you. To hell with amalgamation, you. Fighting for our right day. Brother, it's not a crime, man. Therefore, it's our right day. They're gonna give us a Biafra.
We are Biafrans, lovers of freedom. We a nation, no contemplation. Pull the trigger, shoot on the weapon. Shake that, give me the fingers, machine gun. No more Nigeria, no more school soldier for my area.
Okereke, at the best fire way I be okereke. I look up till and they carry the feel like okereke. Anything I made, they go what's up as okereke. We no one negotiation, we want a bakeleke. Chekeleke, obikeleke. We want to spara for sakeleke. No castigation, for our nation. My people let us go.
Apagoti, Akumbakage, original Biafra me akum. See me a blessed land me I want. Babylon, them I wanna push on. Almighty Jah, their children them a cry. Plenty men every day them a die. A wicked nation, them a know they try. I get a gospel, me I know they lie.
Igala isoko ndi bokaite. Ibibyo ikwere pumu Biafra. Anang ijopuku mutuku ayama. David Ogota come together.
Yeah, I got pair nail one day I walk and whining. You when they were men, my God, the people are crying. Care you know me, Odu gonna move me strong man, should stand man, did not need me kuje. Urobo isoko egala yana one day in Roma. We ain't scared of war. I got Copa Hana Koma, ho ha. We are coming for our rights, that's why we the fight. Right.
As a real Biafra, Nepunya Mebe, Tabakala Shini, Nepala Play, I can back in the good to the power to the cool, son of Basai, one get you, boom, run, time for peace no more. This is time for war.
See, and this when
email, more Biafra, make we the go, so J Bazo, make we the go, say Nigeria, make the la I am you lawyer, let's go, all your mask get set, let's go, the number, Unu, all we need now go to you. Liver, very soon, when Haga no dia, Opa Boom Boom, Hagamana Yeka, and a Washington, I hear Silla, Illuminated Colondigo, Nandia, Wasaka, Bondashi, Isimuelayo, Guada, and one Isimuelayo, on the woman who one on the Mere, Lebu, one them get Yaga, can't follow the public. Me are a stammer, not compact, I must plan you when we turn the microphone, no one will be annulled. We tell them I said them. Man no pause for me, man I kill people. In a big to a me one get to IJ. My body done the hot yo. As if we win the remove. If you put her a shoot aside, you know, the baggy Unga do quaggy chon. Cause I'm a full brand from the mind. Silence. Welcome, Biafra, there's a new land. Where the haters at? Tell me. I shoot them down. Never fire the king, cause we're the lions. Singing in the jungle, yeah, we'll rule. Every time we step into the spotlight, we kill. Biafra, king of the world, yeah, the king suspect. Alright, now you know what we here for. We used to want peace, but now we want war. I was stopping on it, I will kill them. I will kill them. Huh? Mogge be digger for your barrier to death, man, no be dogs and near boom boom everywhere. My brother can't stop, bang anywhere, and the killing can't stop. This is a final warning to you all. And as for those who are holding our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, release him now, or Somalia will be a paradise to Nigeria.
Yes, we must continue without wasting much of our time. I will be going to our studio in Idoma province. Reporter from Idoma studio, can you hear me?
I can hear you, Mazi. Good evening, sir.
Good evening from here. Go ahead, please. The world is listening.
Right. Good evening, Biafrans all over the world. Good evening to our able leader, our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, and the deputy Chimofo, and every other persons that are working to make sure that Biafra is restored. May God strengthen each and every one of you until Biafra comes. In the name of Yahushua, we pray. I will not forget to introduce myself as usual. And one of you, your only brother from Idoma land, Adehi John. Is from Idoma province. Idoma province is located in the lower part of Benue State. Idoma is Biafra. I'll talk to my people in my dialect that they may understand me better what we are saying. I'm going to Idoma. The Boko which go hokwa. On there, I'm a Biokala, Leko, Oyaku Biafra. Hobotana, Oyaku Beko, Ebo, Navadoka Carolivia. There will be our Chichalo, no, a piggy, Ujiebo, Uji Liberation. Odale no Chichalo, Junipema, Fuaku Biafra, Alogele. When you can have people who country, a people in Nigeria, always cannot check you do in. When you can actually tell a term, wow, or she actually get you hope. Get a logan, or what you know, the other record on Dr. Carolyn, or what you know, the other Veno. O dana o chalo jikuna ko ipa bokalon o ma ko beno wena lo ma ngi ja ku tia lo ya lo memma pero ko kunya ngi ya lo jena alo no ai kido ma pa ja ku Biafra da so eko o we kala o le bo me in the sense that eko Biafra da o dana lo ma mo inu pema o ge me o dana ya ko no alo ke kala ya lo le ko o ya ku Nigeria ti ku Nigeria we dana I know what you my project open no state side of Kumano elo eta de Camodos alam panin le apolon abalam panin mama ele kwaja na ka kido ai project kido makani odo jola ti chido my lalo yengo to koja guy so I project all the project kido ma de hola amodo lo do ma olo do ukodo ma na agitu kani ni project kido ma o ko nya hono ule ko ho egwe ya o hon okay but kani alola ke government but So what you get to kind na chuko ko je jonko ati na le fuko manda e betrayal e kwa lo kujila lo abokira lo kujila aflani so that ko economic je ipe yo ko mi a akuna na ile lawo o ma ni ya lo o ma ti mo agema kan ni desperate lo la ti fuko manda ipa je kidi mo lo ka de manu develop so la do ma holen o do o we holen olo do lo do man holen o le ko yu prono chikan ko ya no lenia o do man holen o gale o do lo nyana mal pa ku Nigeria ge mo kan akidi ko continue mem Nigeria ko o de ko o do anjo kan do ko tal yo le yu o la ma man ku Nigeria ala na ko chikalo lewa up to 100 years now no ipa je kidoma me ko no e penati da ko no ko pena ko chia e gala bo ko de ko do kan modana o amfani ne la mi pa je ku Nigeria wa o le an ọma na ọdụlụ n'aka anyị owe na alụma ama ga tijia owe machiko kwaye abụ owe ma gekwe ndị sena igono Biafra ga owe na alụma kama oge kwe liga kalo no nandi kanwa obe oji alewa luchere ochalo igono Biafra ga odala na alụma chimu bia bewa e kalo no ma mu ya owe kwade me ino pana lo ya adi maka ni apula lo galewa kinopa but I no kwa ye kwa ile dolo ito no ani ke people no kwa again rather ku ya ku manage wa wala ma the point ku certificate ku mani ku me but ko kunya do kani ku Biafra ga o dan mana ma no kwa mana ye ma ogila ampani so ngi dolo na ka na aso be kala yo no ya ku no le de kicho awa ka mema wala ta to ku Biafra ko ga kwani ku Biafra ga o na la o ya tetwe ekonu Biafra ga o dala la odoka agele ekonu Biafra ga o dala wa gbe to o adangu na lu Nigeria ni to kan ni Nigeria ate no Nigeria no wo a bokine a fulani o wa Nigeria o ma ga maka ni is ne register Nigeria as an Islamic country agima ke o yo da no no teach you no target ya go be ka memna wo no Christian no kan na lo ye cho o no cho kalo gbola hu kwaje kalo hu gbaje be ta ba adisle but o chugeta when can all of that man ya go bena ngile hu kwaje amen le ku John ate ya gile hu kwaje kan ni ho aba pa oga ko gan man ke do le ka odanka ado ku ti aba pa ado ku le gbaje as a Muslim then odigma ga ya that apa kalo ta bota ku kalo Biafra restore ekonu Biafra ga ado gbo ocho o no chikapema ode intona oga happen pale ku Biafra kama no Muslim ma ogori kan aloga de kataji lo akigaru lo kega ho ipaje ko kalo abu wa adma na le kuti biolo kaini ka achino green biolo kegelea o achi ne ole no study ne o plan yo moyo abune ke ripo anya pena sima no anya ya ne o plan e ko yo woni kan ikuno ilo de ko bana ko le ka the next nigga is to kill it. On our Dolonada, Ale Catagelo, our flaming. Abo Anu Beno move to my father could benware. Our flaming a lot chichoco. It your Bradman rather boa kani or Debuna Makagi Mataje. Or Alo Tutu Alia Tutu. Or Alia to do one kind of Geneva Canao Tenele Elu Dina value cool life on. Any value cool use. That economic makano de is to kill you. Ekilo moto to ala agalu do lakogalo do kitima or the idea is that protect yourself. Or other man again protect yoga, be can protect your when can to go up. Economic one equal to be equa. Adema aga olo the managayo type of magade. Or Kokuna popular color na Okilaloa or Kokuna or go to Tajia or to Ya Labodo Choli flare about your Ocho. Apakuna Kakilu, you to your own capacity. We have to make it for that man to happen if we go to Jovajan. I'm a Hodolonia, I don't know what you do now, Biafra nowhere. I can go Biafra now, Nebonowhere. I want to call any poor half of begin. I don't think my I can't do the bonum. I look at Tima and Yakalo member, other Calabonum. I want to call Biafra Coca, getting that celebrating the full street. I'm a call it probably a Kebo or Lida Calo, a man. Ogola no ma ogola tun ogani ko yago be ku Biafra ko ga all comfort kuno deny ogu mema ko o mema no ko ka kuno le yago be ku Biafra ko ga ano awo ena lo ko portion de ku Biafra ma only to that do kan Biafra no IPOB family another ko yoma all they do contribution ko ku Biafra so ode ku be colonizer after the chena awo no waki doma ipaya do mana ho le ko ka kuma Onaga we gede na pokola kuno na gebe apebeche. Onaga we gala na pokola kuno na apebeche. Ogoni kama kana we gano gala I pokola age pu uche no okanya. Most of almost 80% of gala epidoma. Age epidoma kuma put a hopper and hokanya. Egina put a hokanya get kan odengo na geya that apebeche kala yago be ku biapa kuga. Ala bota kwa Nigeria olalon. Ogana na ma oda ka do kuje kana ma e kana ma lot race. Kana lot race akema kani ubu biapa na no ma. Surely biapa na we. So how do I can Nigeria over the Malay color? Development to the people Nigeria. All project we had that to Islamize this country. Again, in haste with Islamize the country. I'm a member of the they can be in haste to restore them. Or that so other guy, not betting, not for them, or you not take any restore. Oyakum, member corner, no, our brethren so ha, if I could be a placard, there could be a plan of Kakuna Kaule. Upon who Kaloha, who can Mokaine, Nigeria Mati, Mata Javakaine, or Dolo High Punogan. Olo Dulo, or Dadamana Chekuche, Udula and Achipema, or Ona Naina, now Paji, Loipema, if all Upajakuna Nigeria again. Who want to I cannot map by Nigeria, Adamaka or Umba, then Akuto, Islam. Odana hidro kama kani bobeka prosper oya bobeka menenuko kala bodo papa maybe ina de ago akuyo ko chinyo nuhu agobia Nasir agobia Mala Hassan or Muhammad o magen ko ti alodola do my fu Nigeria again e ga employ o ma e ga judola do maga eju appointment do golon even admission do aga len so okokunya hodoro na kani awono wo ti doma ipaje ku Biafra odikono gido ka ya kokunya apa pebeke alopia potwa ku Biafra kana doka kala lele ekono Biafra ga oduwe na Alabama kwa obembe ekono Biafra ga except awono ka to kama awaya jole ekono Biafra ga odale wa jigi twala o development dio odale wa na homa chekuru pema na homa bokoto chwa o chiko jikala Ama hodolo na ka pebeke awon wo ti de mako plastic bin awa ti bin alo pobu awo example achoha no pokala kaladu so oda ka alo che kaini achu Biafra osile te yuko ku Biafra ko ga ami memawo no ko akido ma alo pebeke kalo yago be ku Biafra ko kado okota kalo na alo chiko contribute that enyo platform no IPOB family e ga na poka ko na maka ni ogana no IPOB wa ta do hawa no platform no kalo elo identify me wa boni ke kono Biafra ga ogala panel po iko na yi Oma hodolo ne ka wono wo ti do mai pa ya do mana ogoma atobeche ogani kani Biafra afuna lo ho to kalotia all of that man ho no get you Biafra wa again o che no rules aslo jubri oga to Biafra o again the more than why Nigeria back in then they have lost their focus on the ongalo ya kuma no yakone odanu leader ka le party ya jara piti anu ke governor le ku Nigeria ke bo Nigeria and every day enya otubi Nigeria get the ministry every blessed hour so I'll be okay like ku Biafra ja ku Nigeria get be completely then Biafra will rise odama do aboa so I know what kidoma we pa e wodo mana ho le poka kuma we pa ajeche no ajebo so we pa kido any is part of the Biafra land even in the zoo state na honda poka kuno na ngido katobeke awa kala taboto aya go kala jole kicho kala taboto akala ya koda na hodo kakala le no ko ke wano ya no ko chekonon ache kaino nadi kanu funa kan anoka bi Biafra wan ache kaino chimofo funa bi Biafra wan ache kaino onyibe George anoka bi Biafra wan amemnawo emu platform na our brothers so hani puje paje ku Biafra anoka bi Biafra wan so ma hodolo na ka we ka awa ka contribute ukota ko oya go ku Biafra ko ga Nigeria o ngore o ngalo tetunwa o plan ni bi le ku kala pema operation Python dance or whatever other for whatever they are launching. Again, launching like we call member. I remember when we were Biafra. They do kumalo bonwa. But angeto kani governor don't man accept wa. Ipeku governor ma oke ya remember wa. Oda hageja aboa. So o chedo man ho. O kana ho yoko no Nigeria. Leader ka le zala kani o chedo man ho serve Nigeria. Le pa ya do man. Again to be whatever way shame will be upon them. So we don't do ka to chene. Alala wa soja. Alors le police ka kidoma alors sam Nigeria you are raising your shoulder account chaki choka yes alors I know the government ku Nigeria but the other ka jin agema achelewa ningo soldiers alawa ningo bunu le Sambisa forest anakalwaka ipa aitama why ne kunwa odi ya gobe anu itama ne ai ne kunwa iko eji chaka ni biasa na we ekunu biasa ga adi no lo ipa aje ko biasa against them so edo ko reduce edo lo mubunwa who will be there to defend your father I know police I know wamia iko no Boko Haram plan hesla iko mubunwa who will defend your mother who will defend your children amana hodo na kai onaka hosa Nigeria as any capacity of force Ali resign. If Ali resign, I could have done Biafra. I got regret to them and I could Biafra. When it comes to Biafra, I will not resign who could Biafra. I got that on our I get recognize. So my husband, Ojeki to be Olalo, Ojeki to be Odana, Odana, Maka Nigeria Boma, I will be like Biafra. Olana Lodokane, Olago, Ukona Odokane, Ukogo. Owe na la hokelana owe ageme opetano hoye kupinya opetageme hane no kwa ugatikula jire go kwa ajele baje bowa hana ageme but except I will not do it so okunya dedo ole ko dedo na obia bukunwa anu restoration ku Biafra odan male ku lebe ku celebration baje ku Nigeria again ekunu no aizo baje ku ko odinya ibu slavery e do kan ipo okolenyi e do kan egu dilo ojo ke ibu trope no ojo anu kan ene ijo ya kan apoya go na de ito osulaba ito to o ijoko kagijo ipo anyu to ojo ipaje ko ya so e do ka lo etale Ikoero heta ikaje kupaje kustuzi daje ku promise to shigalwa then edi le jabo ku abicho e de begin to praise that God. Oba do ko yapa je ku Biafra. E mundo na ifare ku Nigeria ko kunya. Adima ka ni ofe na ifare ku Nigeria ko kunya. Ati no ku Nigeria ora ka ni ali atemi pa ku Biafra. Ati no Biafra sa ati no iku ageje ka ni match na Biafra so we. Ora ka ti match ku fulani adima ka ni fulani ati na fulani oga. Anaka temake ipe ku Hausa adima ka ni Hausa na tinawea ati ni ku Yoruba ati maka ni Yoruba na tinawea edinda lawo chekunu different faces e kala ta ka ni lawo chekunu for country amegen ego mayoli ya ipe tina dije okay awo tina alu believe gonun agbo so gonun bible na believe bible ko o class na believe class ko o tuna chikani ano chikano e o so manage ko chikan so all the other people can o do enkunwa before Nigeria for na say one Nigeria I don't go to come short oile o de na deja that e ko guy ino pa na yakobonun we are learned people I think that I can not learned person now o de na deja that behave like a learned person so that Fulani men will not come and deceive us ila lo jetan gbojiboji ila lo jetan gbojiboji wa ma rule law wa ma do e ma taja or that wa they remove it from you and you cannot talk you paje ku that boki ordinary aboki no be push it over asa ka ya do ka ya obi ko nyama man no be mem lawo o do not to go bele kala magalwa to let you know that I know what government I know what army kuna ya alokoka kakuka eno asugo de will deal with you ama do ya kan our kind of letter of build our letter of build we need to go there we have to go back to our root go back to our house Nigeria to jalo Nigeria as slave only jalo leje when can ministry because on that and about the kaka izungan you don't allo upper hand the for that and can this is my property by the Nigeria kaka is free can rather out you know aboki Fulani what they have you know then I will know one that here you cannot even make use of anything you have but you cannot say one Nigeria or actually cannot one Nigeria you only make any spirit pass message okay cool you are only working like a dead cough a living cough I go okay ama go na maka ni erizima ati mai do kan how Fulani your other people and answer the mother evil all this kind of thing then you have to civil yourself because you could go other guy will not bubble if you have not been to know before that guy believe in can you how papa oh you need to put it àwọn onímọ̀ kan ní àwọn wọ̀ payá ekunu wọn lọ́gá gbòòtì àwọn ẹbí mọ́lá àbúrẹ́yà ọmọ àdémọ̀ kan ní òye gẹ́gẹ́ òye ẹgbẹ́lẹ́wẹ̀ òye ẹgbẹ́ ìpàtí no wonder níbi ògbò kan ní uzu nù wákẹ́wẹ̀ uzu wà nù wákẹ́wẹ̀ forever àwọn onímọ̀ tí ìnà kan ní àná ètò wọn Nàìjíríà uzu ànàkẹ́wẹ̀ dúwà gbọdọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan gbọdọ̀ lọ́nà kan ní àwọn oníwọ̀ tí dọ̀mà àwùjọ nù you are a wise person an elected person by God ọ̀tún àbọ̀ tòlẹ́fù ọlọ́wọ́ àhẹ́tù ẹ̀rọ club ọlọ́wọ́ fùtẹ́jẹ̀ kani kawi paje gani ogecho gafuwa ekunu aizo adaka awo feli ipaje ko lela ademake o bless God o kala o gala fuye fo jabe kuna agega na o chuchu jinu ka ni mega na e kana we kana o chije galo akala apona kala na galo dolo ya so hodo na apebetele idom na we ya idom ngwe igede idom ngwa akpa au igala e kana e makwema nge bokape meche otobi e kaduma na ho I asani doma kwa ma ipaje kidoma oranda atobe chikalo tapotwa kalu yako beko leko jegicho o yako beko alo ko ubiafra na lo do kakalo le oda enko na lo kitali alo pure that ubiafra ne biafra kewa e kono biafra kewan e boga hogan biafra wan e boga halete e oda kalo kele ku biafra ogoyo be kani within biafra territory wo funo dia ho odi is concerning the whole thing so edede ndeche na okay le kwa konika alono biafra za scattered all over the world about ekena taton lecture oda ko dan ma happen la munche oge happen ne doa so odi ko na geja that especially governor scalo no maje ku biafra no ho bi trokalo e de ko mal bonu yo ha this and that we used to pass information to you people that odi ko na geja that oda ka repenting oda ka pia no o bi na hoyan e ko biwa age doke kana age kunyo bodaga man o chiduma ga accommodate for ole all of them na ga fly out can when they come everything will shut down oda la wedo aboa so awonu ho na wo sab Nigeria ipa do ko ma pete aya heta je people Nigeria ko ni kan ega jo heta lo ga oda na to ka Nigeria ga jigalon oye na to ka Nigeria jigalon rada ikunu ga jigalon o je kichuna to ka Nigeria jigalon o rada e obiwa je ne jigalon biafra popono abona baba bodwa ipu biafra na lokeo pelakuna abono heta kaloge ho abono jegiti kaloge ho abono gbenna kaloge ho alalo dreams e agado na leo akwe plan le lagbo age drink o mi ipo egulo ine akuhi na meyo ipo Nigeria kagbo wo wo ni kani awon ho no na ya kami o foto anona life o le nei akuna akuhi mi to loma akuhi o toma akomodo de malevu phone otugbo wo ogbo nke ipaye ku Nigeria na ho as a slave but okokunya eko guy God is leading us to our promised land again o chukoro do ku dialogue paje o no challenge kuno alo tukalo piatwa alo labo flabo to kalo ko gba to yo go be ke alo manyo ko le paje le pebo o je kuna o de challenge that o akubiafra o ga go jigen ama leader kana pe dalo gesa toa ano ke dali pure di okokunya ni paje kidoma that kani o biafra o ga gojo hagen oda ka ahomo we mi gbijaga kwete la kokoko gwakoko nko o ga gojo na lo nyo ipaje ku biafra leader kana de dalo kani a day will come you sleep in and when you wake up you come it will be a surprising to all of us and then okay surprise all of them ama hodole na ga ni awon o ikidoma kwema ipaje ku biafra apona biafra apona lo kalotia odana la hokela kurupema ayatole kalota botwa kalo yago be ko lego jegicho odanga ake nei na le paje kidoma na maka na ahu male chwa ka ne gelo hu e tan la bo lo legba olo to tabo do manage galon ati mo David Mark no senator for how many years olo da do manage paje kidoma odanga hali ko chache osime hi paje kidoma kani ahu be ko tina ko wo se go be ko lo ko wole o ne kengbe na hiwa ekengbe na hiwa odo ke do ma muta de kidoma ni full government you show government ogi tigi wo kani no we ya lo o no pa biole no yo haya again so ngi do na wo kidoma we alo tobeche alo tabotwa go and join IPOB ka ya go ku na loga ya pa koga ka da na ko ko jode ji le bo ko to o to na lo ko ko ji galo in the name of Yahweh Joshua. Thank you, Mazi, for this great opportunity given to me to speak to my people in my dialect. May God Almighty strengthen you in this race until Biafra comes. In the name of Yahweh Joshua, we pray. Thank you, and God bless you. Stand up from here from Edomaland.
Thank you very much. In just a minute, we will be rounding up for this segment. You see, Yoruba blood and Hausa Fulani blood can never hide when the issue of Biafra is spoken. They come in different guise and shape. Choose Okeke. It is Yoruba blood, Fulani blood that is speaking through you. I'm not sure you know your village. You don't know your village. Hey, we are talking. You don't know your village. You don't have sense. That is your problem. That is your problem. Choose Okeke. You are lucky that I'm rounding up this segment. I would have cured your disease. Who plays epileptic Yoruba Anema? You come on this holy platform to talk to your father. You don't have sense. Yoruba will always hide under one Biafran name and yap. Nobody write our agenda for us. We are not sentimental. We are not moved by what we see. We are not moved by what we hear alone. We are moved by what we are determined to do. And we don't tell you who plays animal like you. You are choose Okeke. When you are supposed to be eating pepper, you are inside this platform yapping. That is how you know children who don't know their father. Useless, hopeless animal. You are very lucky that I'm rounding up this segment. I would have given you Ebola, leprosy man like you. Go and join IPOB family. You are yapping there. You don't even know your father's name. Nonsense. Wonderful Biafrans. I'll be back in a brief time. I'll be signing off temporarily. Yoruba Fulani can do their worst, but they don't know what is coming for them yet. The person choose Okeke now. Go to the village. There is no light. These people can't even hear this thing we have been talking since how many years? Ashawo Pekin. Nonsense.
Me and the do without my Biafra. Me and the do without praising the Father. I know we do without my fatherland. I must to fight and defend my father's land. Me a friend now we hope you. Oh, love and I'm a go. I want to be a protector, see be a friend to carry on. Oh, love and I'm a go. I want to be a protector, see be a friend now we hope you. Let the liquid that is always falling. Now I can see my new nation be rising. I'm feeling good. I'm very high. No matter what them do, they cannot bring us down. They be killing us for so long. Killing our women, they for so long. Spending our resources for too long. Oh my father, we don't know what to do. What's going on? We need the freedom to carry on. Give us the power to overcome. Oh my father, we don't know what to do. We want to be on our own. Our home is our own. We want to be on our own. Our home is our own. I want to be a protector, see me a friend, I want to be a protector, see me a friend, celebrate the right and give it up. Now when you fight, you go carry on. Never pick up the piece of a broken heart and bring them together to shoot it go. From the back, then we are the back. They know this I couldn't watch you cover my big good. When I, you are right. The guy that don't go away, I got the gap. I don't want to go and disaster. I ain't happy. You can see a boy around and keep going happy. The Zuru, the Sassy, said that any way I fear, then I just pay a penny. Oh, you see a Paluma, Capanoya, where you see Panum, fellow, ya Cataloya. Chukoti, I see, and then you are right, and then you see. But this time around, I get easy. Never win more than I want to go. I am on the we want to be on our own. Our home is our own. We want to be on our own. Our home is our own. We want to be on our own. Me and what we do without my Biafra. Me and what we do without praising the flag up. I know they do without my fatherland. I must to fight and defend my father's land. It's gonna be a fun now we own you. Oh, you're gonna malugo. I'm about to be a quite a go. See, be a friend, Bukayo. Be a friend, I'm my original.